What's going on, everybody? This is Davon Marquise West, aka Mark West from StudyWithMark.com, and we are currently in the module for biology, and I'm going to very quickly walk you through this. I'm going to show you all of the content inside the module and just give you kind of a brief overview of how to access the important stuff. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and start here. And once you start, you're now in the flashcard section of the module. The cool thing about these flashcards is that they follow the College Board breakdown to this is your main topic, and then within the main topic you have all of your subtopics. If you go pull up the College Board breakdown, it literally follows it to the T, so that's really cool. So we're going to close these out, and this is your download section. So we're going to start here with your 2-week study plan. This is where you want to come to kind of get a breakdown of all the information and a very organized visual of everything that you're going to be going over for the next 2 weeks. So Monday through Friday, you have some required reading, and then you also have video lessons here for what I would like for you to go over for flashcards and your study guide. And the same thing with week 2, you have more required reading, and then you'll have more video lessons when you click inside the module. That's your 2-week study guide. We have your OpenStax textbook. This is a quick little blurb about the textbook, and then here's a link. You click this button, it'll take you straight to openstax.com. You can view the textbook online here, and you want to make sure you're in the correct textbook. That's the Biology 2E. You can view the textbook online. You can download a PDF of the textbook. You can download the app. You can order a print copy, whichever is more convenient for you. Then going back to the module, you also have some practice questions here. So this is the official exam guide from the College Board. Now this is the 2020 version. Now, even though it's an older version, I promise you the material in here, it does not change. Okay, it rarely ever changes. And also the value of this is to really go through the practice questions to get some insight on the types of questions they'll be asking you, and then just get in the habit of taking a standardized exam. What I like to tell my students is to go through here and take the entire exam, then come down here to the answer key and see how many questions you got right, how many questions you got wrong. And what that's going to do for you is going to help you establish a baseline, right? Now you know what you need to work on and what you're pretty proficient in. And of course, we still want to go over the material that we're proficient in, but we really want to double down on the things that we didn't do so hot on. And that's the beautiful thing about these practice questions. Last but not least, in your downloads, you're going to have my study guide for biology. Now, this is one of the best study guides that I've created for any CLEP exam. It's about 31 pages long, and it's just got tons of great stuff in here. I like to think of this study guide as a snapshot of what's on your exam. It's super easy to follow. I create my study guides from a mix of my own notes that I take after every exam, and then also I hire PhDs to help me put together the material in a way that's easy to follow, easy to digest, and I've done that with all my study guides. This one is no different. Probably one of my best products that I've put together. Gives you pretty much everything that you need to know for your exam, and it's just something that I want you to go over after you're done reading, after you've done going through the flashcards. It's just another piece of material that's just going to make you that much more ready for your exam. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. You can download it, or you can just click on the link and you can go through everything here. I always tell my students to download this, and if they have like some type of PDF editor where they can highlight things and take notes, that always seems to be really helpful with a lot of people. And that's pretty much it. So again, you have your flashcard section, and then you have your downloads with your 2-week study plan, your OpenStax textbook, practice questions, and of course my very own biology study guide. I want you guys to know if you need help with anything, if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to me. You can shoot me a text or you can shoot me an email, whichever is more convenient for you. I'll see you guys in the 2-week study plan videos. Those videos go a little bit more in depth in terms of what I want you to study and for what day. So I'll see you guys there. Can't wait to connect. Can't wait to help you pass this exam. Talk to you soon.